So I'm just gonna link the information below because I really don't remember. I think that these are bags that are something like $13, some amazing price or whatever. So I have 2 of them, September, and they're probably identical. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what I have here. Hoping they're not identical, but you know, if you order 2 of the same thing, that's a good possibility there. All right, so let's just pull all this stuff out of this one and see what we have. All right. So the first item is CS d'Amour. I will go ahead and try to insert a picture of what this palette actually looks like because I'm not going to open it. I'm most likely going to go into a giveaway, but they do have a little card here, and it says that this is a $40 palette. Oh my goodness, I am so curious to see what this looks like, but I will go ahead and see if I can find it and then just insert a picture. Okay, and then this one is Staycation Bronzer Highlighter. In Capri. And then this one is Metallic Matte Lipstick. And it looks like it's in the color Rojito. Let's see if we can get a look at that. Wow, I'm just ripping these boxes open. Oh my goodness. All right, so here's the color. And I might as well go ahead and just open this up. Since I ripped the box, you know, I'm not gonna use it. There we go. Doe foot. All right, so eyeshadow palette bronzer lipstick, a ripped open package, and then My Skinny Mask Australia. What on earth? Let me open this up and see what this is. I mean, it's like a warm, let's see. Oh, okay, hand mitt. And My Skinny Man, that must be, is it the company? Because this looks like a headband. Right? I mean, that I'm not sure about putting into a giveaway, honestly, because I do need some headbands. All right, so that was the first one. Let's see if this one is identical. Okay, all right, so yeah, it's identical. All right. Okay, so this is identical Capri. This is identical Rojito in the lip. Same palette. And same mitt. So I'll tell you what, I'm gonna go ahead and do a giveaway on all this product right here. And I'll end it on, let's say, the 26th of October. And I'll put a link below to for you to click on and put in your email so that you can enter the giveaway. See you in the next one.